Once upon a time, a happy and peaceful community lived in a village surrounded by green forests. People in this village have always maintained their love and respect for nature. However, one day, dark clouds seemed to have settled over their village. These dark clouds were the harbinger of a slowly growing problem deep within the forest. The wise old man of the village was an old tree named Forest Master. The Forest Master taught the village people the importance of preserving and respecting the balance of nature. But recently, he had sensed a leak from deep within the forest. One day, he came together in the village meeting area and addressed his people. Dear villagers, there is a problem in the heart of our green lands and forests full of the melodies of birds. I feel like the balance of nature has been disturbed. We must all act together to solve this problem and save our forest. The village people heeded the Forest Master's call. Everyone decided to go on a journey deep into the forest. The first obstacle they encountered on the way was a giant black tree at the entrance of the forest. This tree was a guard responsible for preserving the balance of nature. The tree spoke to the villagers. The balance of nature has been disturbed. It is our duty to protect the sacred resources deep in the forest. However, I am looking for brave hearts to help us fulfill this duty. If you are ready, let me take you on a journey into the heart of nature. The villagers accepted the tree's offer and reached deep into the forest through the black tree's magical roots. Throughout their journey, the various animals, plants, and water resources they encountered taught them the importance of nature and what a sacred duty it was to maintain this balance. When they reached the depths, the sight they encountered horrified them. The sacred springs in the heart of the forest were poisoned and the trees withered. A stranger had destroyed the beauties of nature. The villagers decided to come together and make a plan to disperse the dark clouds and save the forest. Each of them would contribute their own talents and demonstrate the importance of living in harmony with nature. One group focused on clearing the forest. Others made efforts to cleanse toxic substances and heal sacred springs. Some villagers took various measures to protect the inhabitants of the forest. Over time, the villagers' efforts began to bear fruit. The heart of the forest began to revive and regain its former beauty. The poisonous stranger understood the power and importance of respecting nature. The villagers realized how valuable it is to work together and maintain the balance of nature. The Forest Master thanked the villagers and said, "You have shown a true commitment to the power of nature with love, respect, and cooperation. Our green lands and forests are now stronger and healthier. This adventure should be a souvenir to remind us of our love and responsibility for nature." The villagers had established a deeper connection with nature after this experience. Now, their duty was to protect their green lands and pass on this sacred heritage to future generations. After this incident, the village people came together in the forest every year, celebrated the beauties of nature, and expressed their love for it once again. And so, the Call of the Green Lands became an unforgettable tale about a village's love and respect for nature and the importance of living in harmony with nature.